Welcome back to my channel. This is Truth QMH. Right, so today we're gonna colour this wig. This is a 2.5-year-old wig, and we're gonna just bring back some vamp into it. Make sure you got your gloves ready, your tinting bowl, your tinting brush, clips, a tail comb, and the colours. I'm gonna use Adore colours. I'll be using Raging Red and Instant Red. So I'm going to mix them into my tinting bowl to bring out a more vibrant red instead of just a plain Jane red, so that you'll see different tones. So we're going to start from the nape of the wig. Section the hair and clip them out of your way. Now, apply the colour section by section. Make sure you've brushed it right in, and use your fingers as well to lightly massage it through too. And continue to do so throughout the hair. Okay, so we're halfway there now. Continue to go through. It's a bit of a jarring process, but if you take your time and patient with it, the results are beautiful. This wig has dark roots, so make sure you go into the roots as well, because you don't want to see blonde pieces later on. Great, now you're done. I normally put a plastic bag over to leave it overnight to dry. Look out for part 2 to see how it was then styled. Thank you for watching, ladies. Take care till next time. Please like and subscribe and share with friends and family. Thank you, ladies.